Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I neutralize, I destroy. I am back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Hi guys. Hi. Listen, I'm so sorry, right? I've got a YouTube channel. I go around asking couples questions. Can I ask you guys a few questions? Is that fine? All right. Wait, are you guys a couple? You guys are a couple, right? Yeah. All right. Name? Koskone.
Yes.
And?
Joylene.
Jolene.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Would you say it's the honeymoon phase or you guys are over that?
No, we're over that.
In 6 months?
Yeah.
What happened? Did you guys fight? Have you guys had fights within these 6 months?
No, we didn't fight.
You didn't? Why are you having doubts? Did you fight? Is she lying?
No.
You didn't fight?
Yes.
All right. Are there any suspicions of cheating within the 6 months?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How do you guys know? Have you gone through each other's phones?
Can we go, baby?
Oh, that's making you uncomfortable. The cheating question.
No, guys, we are late. We want to go. Let's go.
Are you okay with her leaving? All of a sudden when I'm asking about cheating. Isn't that dodgy?
Let's see.
Right? Girl, you're acting dodgy.
No. You're cheating? Are you cheating on me? He's not cheating, so let's go.
What about you?
I'm not
Because
cheating.
you look like you're cheating. You see
No,
you?
I'm not cheating.
You are cheating.
I'm not
You are
cheating.
cheating.
I'm not cheating. Uzathemba mina Nkosi noma uzothemba nabantu esihlangana nabo estradeni esingabazi.
Girl. Coninda off. I'm telling you right now.
Let's go, baby. No.
Don't you want to check her phone? Don't you guys want to switch phones?
Asambe,
Yes, why are you acting like this?
We're not late. I have to go to work.
But you weren't late and you were the one that was okay with us interviewing you. And now all of a sudden you're late.
So, ufuna ba check on my phone?
Yeah. She's spoken.
Okay, let's say yakho.
Great, guys. Amazing. Where's yours?
Doesn't have the battery.
What? So you want to check her phone?
Yeah.
No, girl. Can I please have your phone? Can you please stand this side? The lighting. Please come this side, guys. There's no way. Jolene. All right, please hold Vusi. Are you not deleting? What are you doing there?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Please, can we have your phone? Thank you. Okay, Vusi. We'll start with yours.
Can I have my phone back?
Because I think she's cheating. Okay.
I'm not cheating.
You are. Don't you want to prove it?
Can I have my phone back?
Password, please, ne? She'll check your phone first. Do you want her to have a phone? Or do you want to check it?
I'm going to check.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Here you go. Okay. WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type I love you.
Okay.
All right,
It's only
scroll.
me.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, there's nothing else. Alright, type, delete that and type I miss you.
I miss you. Okay.
You again.
Yeah.
Okay. Girl, what's wrong?
Let's go. Let's go, Vusi.
You're not done.
Check it out.
You're not done. Here you go.
Delete, type babe.
Babe. Okay.
Yeah, you again.
Yeah.
Okay. Delete and
You see,
type.
akekho umuntu ochithayo. Let's go, Vusi.
What about your phone though?
No, I'm not cheating.
Let's check it then. Okay, you're in such a hurry to give her her phone. Where's your passport? Can we have yours?
Girl, I. Hi.
There's nothing yet.
Vusi. I'm so over Vusi.
Okay, what's up, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Type I love you. Yo. Yeah, you ruza when.
Euro. We're not even done.
Can I have my phone?
Do you wanna ask her?
Hayi bo, so themba phone.
Yo. Wanna scroll some more? Just go into the chat. Do you wanna ask?
Joy. One low.
You know what's on your phone? Who did you say I love you to? Who's the last person you said? It's not her. Who was the last person you said I love you to?
Those are my friends.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is not friendship. This is flirting.
So nomngane umfana wena.
Yeah, umngane wami wasemsebenzini.
Why mina ngingamazi?
Because ngisebenza naye angithi. Uyakuza emsebenzini wami? No. Guys, ngicela sihambe.
Do you want to call this person?
Yeah.
Guys, can I please have the phone? Oh. Is that the phone, Vusi? Oh. All right. You ask her now what they're doing with your person and how long they've been together. Okay, please hold.
Hello. Ngikhuluma noThulani.
Yeah, come back.
Yeah, bengicela ukubuza wenzani noJoy?
Ngenza not joy. Futhi ngenza not joy man.
Ngithi wena noJoy nihlanganiseni.
Hayi wena umuntu wami uzoyithini nje lo ndaba.
Uthi Joy yini?
Uthi joy umuntu wami uyangezwa kanimele ngiphinde kangaki.
Senesikhathi esingakanani Joy?
Akubaleki ngani lokho hayi wena mele wazi into le. Ngiyabona wile ntwana nyani lokhu busy naye ne.
Angisintwana nyana ngumuntu wakhe.
Ungijwayela kabi indaba yazi nyakuyeka ukuyadanazwa naye ngoba ngiyabona indaba yakho.
Ujoy here says nina nisebenza nonke.
Ewona kati. bazongibuza amanite ezingekho.
Talk to you.
No,
You don't want to talk to your man?
You guys, you called him. I didn't call him. No. I
You don't want to talk to him?
No.
Please talk to your man. Here's your woman. Here's Joy.
No, I don't want to talk to him.
Can you hear Joy doesn't want to talk to you?
No. I'll phone along a yemi to line.
So you know about the other gent?
Hayi intwananyana manje.
Sure. Okay.
Ya. Bengiyekile nje ngithi udumeza isilonyana 2 minutes noyo naso iyaphapha. Asizongifonela kahle.
Uzomala wena.
Hi. Please give her a phone. Yuru. Ferb. Have a nice day. You can dabayako. You don't want to keep her? You don't want to keep your relationship? You don't?
Because serious ngento yenzayo.
Ungenza isilima.
No, mfethu uthulani sasijola kudala before ngijola nawe.
So why athi umuntu wakhe?
Bengijola naye kudala.
But why are you saying you love him?
Angizangithi ngiyamthanda mina uthulani.
So we saw nonsense on the phone.
Ngamachatha kudala lawo.
Hi, Bo. Joy, stop lying.
Ngamachatha kudala.
Angibani ubambelani.
Kosi, what are you going to do?
Yazi bengithembile. Sho ukuthi bengisilima sonke lesikhathi.
No, bungesisona
Ngithi
isilima
ungangibamba
ngiyacela Nkosi ngiyacela.
I think go your separate ways, and it's definitely over. You don't want to give her a chance?
Chance yana ngenza isilima.
Nkosi. No guys niyabona manje selisixabanisele.
I'm sorry, child.
No. Nkosi ngiyacela asikhulume please. Guys no ngicela ngisiyeke. Nkosi.
Are you done? What if she dumps? What if she dumps Tulani and blocks him?
No, Tulani ex yami ngijoli no Tulani mina.
Manje I love you phumaphi?
Ngamachatha kudala la.
Hi, Bo.
Awusho ukuthi kanti umngani wakho lo.
The date that we saw is not from a long time ago. Joy, at least tell the truth so you guys can fix this.
Ngicela. Asikhulume.
Yeah,
No
talk.
guys sicela ukukhuluma sodwa please.
Azingidelelisa ngabantu. Ungibiza
Where's Nkosi?
Intwananyana mina.
Sorry, ngiyacela.
Do you have your phone, Nkosi? Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna leave, right? You don't want to stay? At least give her a chance to talk to you.
Ya uzakhuluma.
Are you willing to dump Tulani?
Tulani ex yami ngijoli no Tulani.
Yo! Oka! Are you gonna dump him? And at least block?
Ngizomdama.
Are you gonna dump him? What is
Yeah,
he giving you that Nkosi is not?
Tulani unikeza imali, Nkosi akanayo imali.
How?
Uyaphi?
Angithi ufuna ukusala nalabo abantu bakho. Awusafuna ukuhamba nami. Awusangithandi vele ubungangithandi vele wena ne?
Le jacket uthengele bani? Bona ikhumula le jacket lengithengele yona.
Hayibo, Nkosi. Mina ngifuna ukuya emsebenzini.
Nkosi, okay, she says you don't have money. You heard that, right? And she admitted that she is cheating with the Tulani, right? So everything is up to you. I don't know what you're gonna do, but you don't have to decide now. All right? You guys can go. I'm sorry I ruined your day. Do you want to leave with her? Uthi broke.
Ay, makahambe makafuna ukuhamba.
So if akafuna ukuhamba, are you gonna take her back? Hey, Vusi, let's go. It's fine. Who are we to judge? Go after your woman. It's fine. Clearly you want to. Yo, sana ay nyanyamezela. You guys make a zela. If relationships are not working, try other R-ship, like worship, entrepreneurship. You know? Anyway, my name is Lisa Sirame. That is it for me. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _. See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yase Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if we are you Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?